Welcome to Legal Aid. I'm Iris. How can I help you today?
Well, the reason I called is because I either lost or had my wallet stolen. And I think it was last night. The last time I remember having it, and that's the best I can say, is the last time I remember having it was yesterday. The department store gas station. I had stopped, bought some stuff, filled up the gas, and I used it then, and that's the last time I had it. I've looked everywhere and I have not seen it since, and I don't know if it got stolen out of my pocket, if I left it somewhere, if somebody's using it or what. And I figured you were a good place to start.
Okay. Well, what information was contained in your wallet?
My driver's license, my credit cards, my checkbook, my social security card, let's say my credit cards, my business cards, everything. I mean, everything is in my wallet.
Well, okay. Well, you've learned a hard lesson. We don't recommend that people carry their social security cards in their wallet for this very reason. But there are some steps that you need to take. You need to immediately notify your bank, have them close your checking account and cancel your debit card. And you need to call each of the credit card companies that you were carrying their credit card in your wallet and notify them that your wallet was either lost or stolen, and they will cancel that account for you and reissue a new card. And then the next thing you need to do is notify one of the three major credit reporting bureaus that you have either lost or stolen your wallet was either lost or stolen, and that you need to place a fraud alert on your credit. If you call any one of the three, then they will notify the other two for you. And the contact numbers for each of the three credit reporting bureaus are listed on our website at www.oklaw.org. The fraud alert will notify creditors that you've been the victim of identity theft or fraud, and they will exercise caution in issuing any additional credit. The very next thing you need to do is make a police report. Now, even if your wallet was lost and not stolen, this is an important step to take, because either way somebody can misuse your information, and you don't want to find out 3 years down the line that somebody's been using your identity to commit crimes and have not done that police report. So that's a really important step. Oklahoma has passed a law that states that no matter where the crime occurred, a victim of identity theft can go to their local police or sheriff, and they shall complete an incident report for you. So that is mandatory. And then I recommend that you also file a complaint with the Federal Trade Commission. They can be found at www.ftc.gov. And the Federal Trade Commission is the agency that is tasked with enforcing identity theft laws on a national level, and they also keep statistics. So I think it's worth the time to do that. They will act if they see a trend, and they will also note any trends in demographics or types of identity theft that are going on out there. And then you're going to have to just monitor your credit and make sure that nothing bad is going on there. And as I said earlier, there's three major credit reporting bureaus. Each one of them will provide you a free credit report. You can spread that out over a year's period and get one each 4 months, and that way you can check it 3 times each year. If you do find something on your credit that is not yours or is suspicious, then you'll have to dispute that debt. And we have listed on our website under the Identity Theft tab at Legal Aid resources for victims, and one of those resources is letters, dispute letters. We have one drafted for the company, the creditor, and the collection or reporting bureau. When you've been a victim of identity theft or fraud, you're not responsible for that debt. And this letter informs the creditor that you've been a victim and they should not take collection actions against you. Also, there's another letter that informs the Credit Reporting Bureau so that they can remove any adverse reporting that may result because of that. If you wanted to go one step further, you can check your court records. And Oklahoma is an open record state, and you can access court records through www.oscn.net. At the top, there will be tabs, and you can click on court records and then click on search. You can type in your name, and it will bring up any records under your name. There may be other people that share a similar name, but you will be able to see if there's any court filings against you, or hopefully, worst case scenario, any criminal filings if someone has been using your name to commit crimes. And if that is the case, then you need to contact us at Legal Aid for assistance. Do you have any other questions?
I think that about covers it. I appreciate it. This gives me some peace of mind. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.